Hey, good morning, friends. Today is April 6th, and it is day one of week three of our little homeschool adventure thing. I know at our house it's kind of been a challenge, just getting different materials from different teachers and things like that. Hopefully, um, this screen that I'm sharing you helps to keep it simple for y'all. But anyways, this week, today we're going to do our pretest, which I will kind of show you what that looks like here in a second. But you should have that in your packet. And all we're doing on Thursday is turning in page 5 and 6 from each of your subjects that you've received. Okay? Not all the work has to be turned in, just this. I hope that you do it all, and I hope that if you need some help, then we will be meeting tomorrow, which is Tuesday morning. I'm going to send a link to be able to help with that. But let me see if we can check out this post test. I mean, the pre-test for this grade level. Like I said, it's pretty simple. Some of the pre-tests are different, but if we could take care of those pre-tests today, that would be helpful. Like I said, it's just kind of basic stuff, 2 pages, and get that stuff knocked out. Other stuff for this week is just the pre-test and then pages 1 through 6. No school Friday or no school Monday. So be on the lookout for the link to the Zoom meeting. If you don't have the Zoom app on your phone, it may be worth getting it. Pretty easy for Android and for Apple products. So, anyways, I hope that you had a great weekend and I hope you have an amazing day. And I'm hoping that we see y'all tomorrow. If you have any questions with what we've done so far, anything going forward, I'll share whatever info I have. And also, maybe just read a book, just kind of hang out, see how things are going with whoever's who's able to hop on. All right, we'll talk to you later. Bye bye.